Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a lock pinned by Jeffry Post. This is number 5. So you can see it's open. Let's go ahead and lock it up and see if we can't get it again, shall we? I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here and see what we can do. Of course, when I did this, I just picked this open. It took me about 30 seconds. Now it's going to take me a little bit longer. That's all right, though. So it's been a little while since I've been picking. Don't know why, I just haven't been picking so much lately. Which is pretty sad thing, really, because, you know, it means I'm not practicing something I love to do. But let's be honest, I mean, can we all sit down and spend an hour a day picking on locks? It'd be nice, but if you can't, you can't, you know? Sometimes life happens, so, but what are you going to do, right? Figure it out. That's okay. So, here we go. All right, we're going to start all over here. A really nice deep false set right now. So And there we go. Sweet. It took a minute, but we got her. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got inside. Bust out my pinning tray I got from Bobby Keys. Thank you, sir. There we go. Really nice serrated pin. Small serration on that guy. Serration standard. Serrated. Alright, and it looks like what we got is threading on 1, 3, and 5. And that's what we got. And in the Bible, let's see what we have up here. Standard. Really nice, like double spool. Standard. Really nice spool. And last but not least, a spool. Nice. And let's see if we have anything magic down up here. I can't really tell. I'm going to dump these springs out. And it looks like nothing has been done to the Bible. So, some of the springs are a little different, but that's alright. Anyway, this lock again comes to us from Jeffry Post. This is number 5, and this is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.